The week that was Master Ensuite.
Harry and Tash started the week with a bang. Winner of week 3, it's Harry and Tash. And a crash.
I stood on an uneven piece of ground. Yeah, I sprained it.
And that left Harry flat out managing his ensuite from his bedroom.
I'm going to sit down and just supervise the trades from the master. Because of my leg, I can't put boots on.
What could possibly go wrong?
1, 2, 3, 4 sheets have to come off.
So things were bad until they were...
Oh, good.
Very, very good. Oh, except for that tile issue.
But we've got problems with the wall tiles. The white ones are bigger than the grey.
Oh, Jesus!
The only way to fix it was to get a white tile that was a little bit smaller.
But in the end, everything fell into place,
It's a learning curve for Natasha.
including Delilah, their feature bath.
Look at that. I think the place looks fantastic. It matches, it flows from the master bedroom to the walk-in wardrobe into the ensuite. I think it just flows beautifully. I love it.
Wow! I was not expecting these bathrooms to be this massive.
Neil immediately said, "It's beautifully done."
Look at the colour of those tiles. Isn't that the most beautiful green? It is the perfect accompaniment to the bedroom that they delivered last week.
Can we throw back to the last bathroom we saw in this house?
This room could not be more... better.
Thank God.
This is literally the opposite of every point. The colours are beautiful. The space is glorious. The luxury of space we have above our heads is amazing.
The floor tile is perfect.
This is exactly what they needed. Almost a modern terrazzo-type look.
There's no doubt about it. This, to me, feels like a contemporary bathroom, as it should, but at the same time, it's got definite references of the era. Even the basins are perfectly in period.
Neil said, "The biggest compliment I can pay is I want those basins for my house."
They're pretty beautiful.
And that bath.
I've been trying to not say anything, but my God.
Go on, let it out, let it out.
How beautiful is that bath?
Shayna was really in love with the bath. What a beautiful bath.
The shape of it, it is so elegant.
Yes,
it's
it is.
such a statement. There are so many things that you can lose your mind over, but that bath.
And it could not be more appropriate for the era. The judges did bring up a couple of minor issues.
I must admit, I find that sconce sitting directly on top of the tiles slightly weird.
I'm with you. Could have been 100 mil higher.
Yeah.
Definitely. It looks like it's squeezed in and it didn't need to be.
And Darren Palmer did bring up the heights of the shower screens once again.
They're 100 mil short of the tiled line, so
They did that in the last bathroom. They didn't go to the top of the tile. Why would you do that?
They would have been perfect if they had gone to the top of the tiles. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Oh, yes, OK. And, all right, I thought 2.7 metre glass. I thought, that's big enough, isn't it? I mean,
Well,
well,
clearly
next
not.
time
That's
I'll
okay.
listen.
But apart from those two issues, you nailed your bathroom this week, and the styling is superb. Pared back and simple.
Looking around at all their slight references to the 20s, which is this beautiful rose pink. And then just look at the flowers, just simple. And then, I don't know if you can see it, but that book there, The Great Gatsby.
Oh, that's a lovely touch.
I love it. I love those, and they're the little quirks.
Yeah.
I think a buyer looking for a 5-bedroom home in a luxury market like Brighton that is particularly interested in this 1920s style is going to find so many things in here that they love.
This has the emotional pull that makes someone say, "This is the house I want, whatever the cost."
You want to hear that?
That's exactly what we're after. We're after an emotional buyer.
Well, thank you, Harry and Tash.
Oh.
What a great start to our day.
Can I just ask a Gatsby-related question?
Yes.
Did they tap dance in those days?
Absolutely.
Absolutely did.
Yeah.
they tap dance their way out of the room. That's it. Well done.
Nice one.